Welcome to Supra parts install series. This is a super quick install of the A91 spoiler. First, we have to clean it up and put some Atoms graphene. Then we're gonna put some 3M. So this spoiler is from Extreme Online Store. Got it for about $230 something, you know. And no, I don't have rubbing alcohol in a bottle, so I have to use this alcohol prep pad. I know it's probably causing a little bit of scratches. Would usually drive me nuts. We are desperate today. Okay, we're gonna take a microfiber. We now have a half-assed themed spoiler. See guys, it looks no different, but you know. We're gonna take graphene. I should probably wear gloves. Don't remember the instructions, but that's how I'm gonna do it today. The only reason why I'm putting graphene is so that the clear coat that's on here already, it won't yellow, fade, or deteriorate over the next few years where I'll be using this lip. So it's been about 30 seconds to wipe off the coating. Already I can see a difference. I'm wiping it and the surface is like really smooth. Usually like the microfiber catches on the clear coat. Now we've officially graphene coated this spoiler. Oh no, it's not perfect. Trim off the edge. So I ran it from that little edge, and there's like this little lip on the edge of the spoiler. It's kind of nice because then when you put the 3M, it becomes flat. So I think when they designed this spoiler, I guess they took that into account. All right guys, so that top layer is officially laid down. The 3M has been laid on the spoiler, and we should be ready for install. Took a little bit of wrestling to make sure that it's in a spot where I like it. There's an even gap on the back edge. Again, some parts on the carbon weave that aren't perfect, like here. It's the luck of the draw, I guess. A little bit more aggressive on the rear. Looks so good. The fitment came out really nice. I had the V1 of the Rex Speed, but a little too aftermarket for me. I think it cleans up the back really nicely. Next month I have a SP1R single exit exhaust that's coming in, so that'll be a nice little video as well. I haven't seen an install on one of these. I was trying to figure out like how exactly to line up this edge, but from what I've seen in the pictures, they left the edge of the trunk, if you will. All right, folks, that's it for now. You already know, MK5 203. Like and subscribe. All right, guys. Deuces. Thanks for watching.